a sheep.
English meat sheep. They're self-shedding, hot resistant. Oh, this is look like puree.
Nice color.
Alright, so I'm going to give you a handful of sheep nuts, and if you hold your hands like this part's quite full on, okay? So if you put your hands together like that and just keep your hands down low, because if you hold your hands up high, they will jump. Alright, so just keep your hands down low, they're just going to eat the sheep nuts straight out of your hand.
No.
What? There's no animals up here now, I don't think. Okay. Oh, it'd be Billy and Ellie. You don't have sanitizer on your hands, do you?
They don't.
Yes.
Hoppy, hop down. Sheep and cattle done. Spends her entire 24/7 with them. So she thinks she's a sheep. So they're a dog that you only spend a couple of minutes paying attention to each day because they're not a social dog, they are a working dog.
So the dog is a vegetarian.
No, the dog, no, definitely not. The dog is a meat eater.
Okay.